Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Basic Home Tech. Please, if this is your first time watching Basic Home Tech, kindly press the subscribe button, then the notification button, so that anytime we release a new video you receive a notification to watch. In this video I want to quickly learn how to make a TV cable connection for your antenna and your TV setup. How to make a TV cable to connect your antenna to your TV for digital terrestrial channel reception.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So this is our TV cable. This is our TV cable or the antenna cable. Then we have our ply, sellotape, cutter, F connector, then RF. What we will do is to pull the cable. So this is a silver lining. Then we have this little stripes of metal. Then we have one solid metal. So we have one solid metal. Then we have this little pieces of metal. Then we have this silver lining. The TV supplies the antenna with a voltage of 5 volts. So this carries power of 5 volts from the TV to the antenna. Now this solid metal serves as the positive, then this serves as the negative. So always make sure, either you are doing this for the normal antenna or you are doing it for the satellite, always make sure that none of the little pieces of metal here touches the solid metal inside, because this is positive and this is negative. So when it comes together, the power bridges, thereby spoiling the device that you are connecting it to. So if it is a TV, with time it can spoil your TV. If it is a decoder, with time it can spoil your decoder, especially when you connect it to the satellite, because the satellite carries 12 volts, which is more higher than the antenna. So sometimes you have this satellite connection to your decoder, but then the decoder comes on and off, and you wouldn't know what the actual problem is. Many times it is because this negative has come into contact with this positive, so therefore bridging the power. That is why it will come on and off. Now this side is for the F connector connection. So you have to make sure that this one is separated from this, then this one is also separate. Then you make sure that you leave a small portion of the inner coating around the add metal, so that the F connect, the silver lining, so that this small piece will never come into contact with this. So this is it. This is how it's supposed to be. As you can see, you can take this one off if you want to. So that it will be like this. Like this. So this is how you make the cable for the satellite. So, and the antenna connection, especially the TV antenna that uses the F connector. So then you have your F connector. This is the F connector. You connect it still making sure that none of the little pieces of metal comes into contact with the hard solid metal inside. Then when you are done, you just, there will be some pieces of the small metals left, small portion of it, so you just like this. So this is it, a small portion like this, so you just like this. Then this is to make sure that the F connector never comes off. Then you cut piece of this off, so it will be like this. It will be like this. And then you use your solid tape. So this is how you make the F connector connection. So if you are making a TV cable for satellite connection, satellite to TV connection, or satellite to your set-top box connection, you have to repeat the same process for the other end of the cable. Repeat the same process for the other end of the cable. But then since we are using this one to set up an antenna, the other end will be different. The other end will be RF. So make sure that you cut it long enough. Then you put all this together, just like how you do the RF connection. Then you take this one off. Then by this one you have to leave a bit more of this part than the F connector, so it will be like this. So depending on the type of F connector you are using, now this is the kind of F connector I am using, or I'm going to use in this video. So it has this part. When you take them apart, this has to go first. You have to put this first. You have to put this first. So this will go first. Then this will come, making sure that the screwing side comes down. Oh, sorry, comes up. Making sure that the screwing side comes up. So it will be like this. Then you cut it, leaving a small portion. Then you bend it like this. You bend it like this. You bend it. You bend it like this. So it will be like this. I prefer to do it this way, sort of locking this to the cable so that it never comes off. Then you put this one back like this. So it will be like this. Then you put this one. So it will be like this. The cable is around like this. You put this one, yeah. Then the silver lining, you just wrap it around it like this. Okay, so now we have our cable for antenna and RF connection, or antenna to your TV connection. So this goes to the antenna, this goes into your TV. Then when you are done, you start scanning your TV. So this for the antenna, this for your TV, then you start scanning your TV. In the next videos, we are going to see how to set up your antenna. We already have a video teaching how to assemble a dish. So we are going to teach you how to set up your antenna. Then we are going to also learn gradually how to scan your TV or your setup box for the TV stations. So stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you.